Hey guys, it's Drea and today I'm here with a new video for you. I'm really excited because today we are partnering with Merit. Thank you so much Merit for sponsoring today's video. I am very excited to film this one. So this one is very holiday driven, which is very exciting. It's officially the end of November and we are going into, well, we are technically in the holiday season currently and going through it throughout the whole next month. So I'm very excited to present to you guys the Fête set. This is what we're going to be unboxing today. I don't want to give too much away currently because I'm going to go in and just share what is inside. This is an incredible gift idea, by the way. In my opinion, I think I would totally give this to any of my girlies that enjoy makeup and enjoy like beautiful skin. This is a vibe. This set actually comes for $75, just in case you guys were wondering, which is currently 30% cheaper than actually buying these products individually, which is iconic because you get to save more. Packaging is stunning and I can't wait to go and deep dive in. Another thing about it is if you actually haven't bought from Merit yet, first purchase always comes with the Merit signature bag, which is in like a nice camel corduroy color, as you guys have seen in previous videos. This is so cute and it's usually where I keep my Merit makeup. In my opinion, I think this would make an excellent gift and it is actually the most discounted item on their site. So that is a major plus. So definitely check it out just in case. I will leave a link down below in my description box if you guys want to check out any of the Merit products and or the Fête set. And one thing I forgot to mention is that all orders over $40 get free shipping. So that's a plus and we love that. So now let's actually get into unboxing this cute little Fête set. And also the reason why my face is bare is because we're gonna go in and try the products inside. So this is a limited edition set of essentials for the holiday parties you're looking forward to and the ones you're not. I think this is great. This is a great gift to give for the Christmas time or just like in general, especially if you're doing like a white elephant gift exchange, anything like that. Or if you just want to give this to one of your friends or buy it and share it with a friend. That way you don't have to like, you know, buy multiple products and you can just use it for the holiday season. So once again, this box is absolutely stunning. I just want to keep everything that's Merit because all their packaging is absolutely stunning. So going into what's actually inside, we have a miniature version of the Great Skin Serum. This right here is perfect for travel. So if you're traveling for the holidays, this will fit perfectly and it will be like, oh, man down. You know, TSA approved sizing. After the Great Skin, we have Merit's Clean Lash, and this one is in the color Perfect Black. It is smaller, so again, easy to throw in your makeup bag, easy to throw it in your work bag. So the other major product that I'm really excited about is the Signature Lip right over here. And this one is the exact same size as all the other Signature Lips that I have. This one right here is in the color Aperitif. And it's like a beautiful reddish tint, which is awesome because I don't think they have, Merit has had anything like bright red before. So I think it's going to be perfect for the holiday season and overall just very festive. Second to last product in here is the Day Glow, and it's basically a very nice creamy highlighter and it is in the color Bounce. It is a stunning color. I'm excited. Let's give these products a try and let's do this. So I'm going to go in and do the Great Skin first on my skin. I love this thing. This literally makes me glow from within and I'm obsessed. So I'm just gonna do, a couple squirts. All right, we're gonna go in. The only thing I had on my face previous to applying the Great Skin Serum is my moisturizer and another little serum moment that I had. You can already tell that it's already shining a little more, which I love. So as you guys can see, that has been applied to my skin. After this, I'm gonna just go in quickly and put some foundation on and get ready, and then I will come back with the last minute touches because I feel like most of this is like some last minute touches. So I will be right back, and just so you guys know like more of like the foundation routine, the complexion routine that I have, I will link my previous Merit video down below where I kind of go through all of like the skincare like all the base set, because the base set is literally stunning. So I will link that down below and I will come back to you guys in a little bit. Cool, so I am back and makeup is pretty much all there. It's been like 5 minutes, if not less. On to the next. I haven't applied highlighter. I usually don't. Oh my goodness, I forgot my blush. I will be right back. I feel like I might as well do this on camera so you guys know that I actually do use these products, but I'm using the Merit one. I love blush, so here I am adding like an excessive amount. Oh my god, it blends so seamlessly. It is insanity. Now I'm gonna give this highlighter a try. Again, it is in the color Bounce and it is the Day Glow. Okay, I think I'm just gonna use this straight on my face and hope that it just looks good. Oh. Oh. And my tube as well. Ooh. Okay, wait, here too. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna go in and kind of diffuse that. Okay, she's cute. Boop, boop. And I guess I'll move on to my brows. This one's gonna be extremely interesting, I think, because I've not done just like a clear brow gel. I might have to go in, and I'm assuming this is clear. Yeah, it's just like a clear brow pomade. So I'm actually gonna, just do a little bit of, I don't know. I'm just gonna, okay, let's just give it a go. Let's just try it out. Though I think I'm gonna need a little more color in mine. I tend to like my eyebrows, well, I'm sorry, what? Wait a second. No, I think I'm going crazy. I was gonna say, is something getting darker up in this club? It doesn't look bad, if I'm being honest. It doesn't look bad, actually. It looks really pretty good. It looks really natural again. All right, I'm just gonna try this out then. No color needed. Let's see if that's actually true. Does this like just kind of switch with your, no, I don't think it does that. It's not like one of those things that like make it the perfect brow color or anything. It's just your eyebrow. So I still am really a huge fan of like the consistency of this. I think if you have lighter brows and you like to actually go in and fill them in because you want them to be a little darker, this might just be good for like fluffing them up. And you'd probably need to use like a different pencil or something. They also actually have like colors. Like I usually use the black brown one or like intense black. I'm not really sure what it's called at this very moment, but they do have different colors for it. I actually don't think it looks bad, it just being this. I'm actually kind of a fan. It looks very subtle. But next time I'd probably go in with like a pencil or something like that and then kind of brush this into it, because I still like it a little darker, but I don't mind this. I actually think it looks very, very natural. So if you have like really nice, beautiful dark brows already and you just want to fluff them up, ooh, this is your product. This is meant for you. Okay, she looks soft and she looks gentle. She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. Let's go in with our lashes. Perfect Black Clean Lash Product. And put that on. All right, let's do this cute little lash brush moment. I'm the most excited for this product, and it is the Red Lippy. And again, this is in the color Aperitif. So let's give this a go. I really need to moisturize my lips, and this is kind of a helping. Who is she? I don't know her. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I don't think you guys understand. Let's see if I can bring this even. Okay, there you go. Look at this. Look at this glow in the color Bounce. The lip is really, really moisturizing. I never do red lips like this, but this is honestly so pretty. It looks so good. That's why I'm like looking at myself, because I'm literally mind blown. yeah, no, this is excellent holiday look. What are your guys' thoughts? But I'm ready for Christmas. I'm ready for any holiday parties or just like any like night outs with friends during the holidays. This is going to be my moment to shine. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, let me know if you think you're going to be picking up a set, well, or the Fête set for the holidays, or if you think it'd make a great present, because I think it would be such a nice gift to give at the beginning of the holidays, especially so that they can use it throughout. This is such a moment, and I'm like shook, and I can't stop staring at myself because I don't usually use these bright of lips, and I'm just like, wow, I actually should do this more often. But it's perfect for the holidays, I think. You know what I mean? Wow, that's such a good red. It's not like too in your face. Do you know what I mean by that? I don't know. Wow. Wow. Also, this glow is really, really nice. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Once again, I will leave a link in the description box if you want to check out any of the Merit products listed, or the Fête set as per usual. Please let me know what your thoughts are in the description box below. I literally can't wait. I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye, guys. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I travel